Do you ever feel like you never have enough money? Your paycheck seems to arrive on time, but the moment you walk into a store or pay your bills, your money disappears like sand through your fingers. You're not imagining it, that's inflation. Groceries, gas, rent, everything is getting more expensive. What cost $100 last year now costs $110 or even $120. Maybe you didn't notice it right away, but that difference adds up. Your wallet is literally losing its power. But what is inflation, really? Why does it happen, and how can you protect your money from it? These are questions more and more people are asking, especially in uncertain times. Let me explain, simply. What is inflation? Inflation is when prices go up over time, and your money buys less. Imagine this, in 2020, a cup of coffee cost $2.50. By 2024, it's $4. The same $10 now buys you less than it did before. And it's not just coffee, it affects everything: food, rent, gas, services. Types of inflation. There are three main causes of inflation. Demand pull inflation, when everyone wants to buy, but there aren't enough goods. Cost push inflation, when the cost of production goes up. Monetary inflation, when the government prints too much money. Inflation shows up in everyday life. Groceries get more expensive. Gas and transportation costs go up. Rent increases. Even subscriptions like Netflix aren't as cheap as they used to be. Good versus bad inflation. A small amount of inflation is normal. The US, for example, aims for around 2% per year. That's a sign the economy is growing. But when inflation gets too high, 6%, 8%, or more, real problems begin. Hyperinflation can destroy your purchasing power in just weeks. The impact of President Trump on inflation. In 2017, Donald Trump took office promising to revive the U.S. economy. His economic agenda included tax cuts for businesses and the wealthy. This gave the economy a boost, companies started investing more. Bringing manufacturing back to the U.S. His slogan, America First, focused on supporting the domestic market. Massive deregulation. Hundreds of regulations were rolled back, especially in finance and energy. Result. The economy grew rapidly in 2018 to 2019, while inflation remained steady, around 2%. 2020 to 2021, COVID and the money printer. When the pandemic hit, Trump's administration rolled out stimulus checks and relief payments. Passed the CARES Act, a $2+ trillion package. Injected massive liquidity into the economy. This helped avoid collapse, but it also flooded the market with excess money. Result. At the time, inflation remained low, but the fuse was lit. We began seeing the consequences in 2021 to 2022. 2021 to 2024, after Trump, inflation surge. In 2021 to 2022, U.S. inflation spiked to 6 to 9%. Why? Combined effects of Trump and Biden stimulus. Supply chain breakdowns after COVID. War in Ukraine, leading to an energy crisis. Trump blamed the Biden administration. But economists agree that part of the inflation was the echo of Trump's 2020 policies. Trump is once again a major player in U.S. politics, including his active campaign for the 2024 to 2025 elections. He promises tighter control over the Federal Reserve. Tax cuts. New tariffs on imports. A crackdown on immigration as a way to reduce government spending. Analysts warn, Trump's return could increase market tension, fuel protectionism, and trigger inflation volatility. Conclusion. Trump boosted the economy, but also planted seeds of inflation. Massive stimulus during COVID had long-term effects. 2025 marks a new chapter, and the impact is still uncertain. What's next? How inflation affects different people. Students pay more for rent and food. Retirees live on a fixed income while prices keep rising. Families are forced to cut back on spending for their children. Businesses face higher costs, but can't always pass them on. Hidden inflation, shrinkflation. Smaller packages for the same price. That's shrinkflation. You're getting less product, but paying the same. It's one more way inflation hides in plain sight. How to protect yourself from inflation. Don't keep all your money in cash. Invest in assets, stocks, real estate, index funds. Diversify your finances. Learn new skills, increase your income. Track your spending. Take control of your money, don't let inflation win. How inflation can actually help. Got a fixed-rate loan? Inflation reduces the real value of your debt. In other words, you're paying back less over time because the dollar loses value year after year. Let's sum it up. Inflation is real, but you can adapt. Knowledge plus action equals protection. Control your money, control your future. Drop a like if this was helpful. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found it interesting, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Waving hand.